Hey, welcome to Leetcode problem 122. Best time to buy and sell stock. Part 2. So this is a sequel. I don't know. I didn't do part 1. So it's got a lot of thumbs down. 1,790. A lot of thumbs up. It's an easy. So let's see how this goes. Maybe we'll learn how to trade stock and make some money. So say you have an array prices for which the ith element is the price of a given stock on day I. Okay? Design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. You may complete as many transactions as you like. Buy and sell one share of a stock multiple times. Note you may not engage in multiple transactions at the same time. You must sell the stock before you buy again, right? Makes sense. Okay, so right away, this sounds like a greedy algorithm. Does it say that anywhere here? Under related topics, greedy algorithms? Yep, right there, greedy, big hint, and arrays. So let's go through one of these examples. So you got 715364. It outputs 7. So let's sketch that out. So let's see. 7 1. What did it say? 7 7 1 5 3 6 4. Okay. So let's see. We have an array. 7 1 5 3 6 and 4. Right? 7 1 5 3 6 4. 7 1 5 3 6 4. Right. Okay. So greedy algorithm. So right away I'm thinking you just iterate through. I mean, the brute force way would be like, you pick this one and you look at every single one of these. You pick this one, you look at every single one of these. You pick this one, you look at every single one of these. And then this is n times n, so that's O to the n squared. That'd be the brute force way. So we want to avoid that. So the trick in all of these is always like, how do you go through it just once, right? So that it's O to the n. You'd have to do it once. You can't divide this and start doing O, n log n. You can't. I don't see a way that you could do that. So it's a greedy algorithm. So you're going to go through the whole thing, once. So the way that you do these is you start here and you basically take a look at the price. Well, you'd start on the second day. And you say, if I bought, right, 1 minus 7, I'd lose 6, so I'm not going to do that. So let's look at the next day. So we're looking at 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. That's the maximum profit right there. So you'd stick with that. Then you'd move on to the next day. 3 minus 5. Is that greater than 4? No. So you'd go to the next day. 6 minus 3. That's 3. So that 3 is greater than, so 6 is greater than 3. So keep adding to 4. So that's 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then you go on to the next one. 4 minus 6, that's negative 2, so forget it. So it's 4 3, so it's 7. Let's see their explanation. 7, yep. Buy on day 2, price is 1, sell on day 3. Yep, so that's the greedy algorithm. You just basically keep going up and, not keep going up, but keep iterating through the array, figuring out your maximum profit. And you do that by comparing prices to n minus 1, or I minus 1. So, yeah, and adding that to the max profit as you go along, and just return max profit. So let's Let's code that up. That seems easy enough. Put my tablet away. Okay, so let's define this maximum profit. So let max profit equals 0. Let's iterate through the loop. So for let I start at 1, right? Not at 0, right? Because so we're gonna start here, so we can compare this minus 1 minus 7, right? So we're gonna start from 1 to the max prices dot length. Increment it. So in the for loop, we're going to have just one check. If prices of I is greater than, so if 1 is greater than 7, right? So if price I is greater than prices I minus 1, then max profit, max profit is plus equal to, so equals to max profit plus prices of I minus prices I minus 1. That's it. And then just return your max profit. Okay, could that be it? What is it? 4 lines of code. Did I miss anything? Oh, let's try it. Let's run it. See if where we messed up. Okay, accepted. Cool. What do you think? Feeling lucky? Submit it. Let's submit it. See what happens. Success. So faster than 65% of JavaScript out there in the world. So awesome. This has been the max profit greedy algorithm implementation. So thanks for watching.